What's up guys, Shane Starnes here with Droid Monitor X, and LG has finally announced their LG G7 ThinQ. This phone is sporting a 6.1 inch LCD panel that gets up to 1000 nits of brightness. It has a dual camera system with a wide angle lens on the back. It also has a hi-fi quad DAC with a 3.5mm headphone jack, and it includes a Snapdragon 845 processor with 4 GB of RAM. But how does it hang against its competitors like the iPhone X and the Galaxy S9? We're about to find out. Let's go ahead and get started. This video is sponsored by Bezalel, who just sent out their brand new fast wireless charging pad, the Futura X. Sure, Samsung sells their own fast wireless charging pad for the Galaxy S9, but it's a bit bulky and does take up a lot of space, not to mention the fact that it is incredibly expensive. The Futura X is a bit more affordable at $49.99, and the big difference here is that it is sleek and elegant. The Futura X is compact, easy to use, and always ready for a charge. It powers up any mobile device equipped with Qi-compatible receiver. Simply connect the Futura X to a power source and place your mobile device on the charging pad. Most wireless chargers feature a bulky, plasticky, cheap feel and design, while the Futura X actually takes a lot of pride in the design of their wireless charger. With its metal body, it feels more luxurious. With its thin, sleek metal design, it does a great job at dissipating heat, saving your phone from excess heat damage. This is a pretty great wireless charger at the price point. I'll be sure to include a link in the description of where you can pick yours up today. When it comes to the Galaxy S9, we have two variants. We've got the international version with the Exynos 9810 and the US version with the Snapdragon 845. In Geekbench results, the Exynos 9810 comes out ahead slightly with single core performance of 3553 and multi-core performance of 8,631, while the Snapdragon 845 variant gets a score of 2,049 for single-core processing and 8,391 in multi-core processing. The LG G7 ThinQ only comes with a Snapdragon 845 processor. It was actually able to beat the Galaxy S9 845 variant in Geekbench performance, with a score of 2,312 in single-core performance and 8,979 in multi-core performance. It makes you wonder, did LG have a little more time to tweak their processor versus Samsung having to rush to market? The Exynos Galaxy S9 actually did outperform the LG G7 ThinQ in single-core performance, but in multi-core performance, the G7 actually comes out on top. In other tests, the Snapdragon 845 processor is far superior to the Exynos 9810 when it comes to graphics processing, so if you're a heavy gamer, you're probably going to want to go with the US version of the S9 or the LG G7 ThinQ. As soon as I get the LG G7 ThinQ in hand, I'm going to do lots more testing, and I'll be able to give you guys a better overall picture of performance with this device. That about wraps it up for this video. If you like the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. For more coverage on the LG G7 ThinQ, be sure to keep it locked in right here. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out. Once again, thanks for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.